Hello friends! In this section you will get acquainted with the tools of Photoshop that we are going to use for website design. We will create shapes using various shape tools. Next we will see how to move layers here and there. Then we will also see how to align these layers properly. We will also see how to work with the type tool for writing text. We will work with layers, layer styles, gradients, pen tool, etc. Also, we will have a fun project. So, lots of stuffs are here to learn. After completing this section, you will have a complete knowledge of the tools of Photoshop that we are going to use for website design. So without waiting, let's dive in. So see you in the next lecture where we will create rectangles and squares using the rectangle tool. Till then, have fun, take care.